All right, I'm Wade Farmer. This is my 65 Falcon Futura two-door. Got a 200 straight six motor in it. I found it at a job I was working on and put some spark plugs in it and points, and she's been running ever since. Basically like it is when it comes from the factory, other than wore out a little bit. But it runs good, drives good.
That's great.
Have a lot of fun with it.
All right, so tell us about this one.
This was a 61 Falcon Ranchero. Got a little 170 straight six in it. I found it about the same way, but I actually found it on Craigslist and have done very little to it other than get my interior right. And it runs, I take it from here to California in a minute. Not afraid of it at all. Love them to death.